Number 40 is a perfect example of how the SAT is sometimes leaving us some really, really great clues and hints that can help us with the bigger picture questions. So we've read everything that we needed to for the other questions. We've done the other questions. We've seen the main ideas come and go. Trust it. Stick to dumb summaries. Don't get carried away. Don't think that you missed something here. If it was a main idea, you would have encountered it. There is no way that using the no reading strategy and skipping around the lines that we don't need for the questions, we would have just happened to miss the most important thing about a passage. No way. Doesn't happen. So what did we see? Well, we did see that they talked about the expansion of the Union. Question number 32 was specifically about how Douglas talks about the expansion of the Union. It's about it. And then that was all this paragraph right here. All this paragraph, expansion of the Union, Mississippi, Pacific, Texas, increased 4 millions, territory, acquired the Floridas, doubling our geographical extent. It's not subtle. It's here a million times. So, okay, check. And then for the questions 36 and 37, we also had stuff about Lincoln's view on expansion. He talks about the Mexican War in Texas and the Missouri Compromise and getting more territory. We had questions that directed us to these lines. This is not like some hidden agenda here that the SAT has. They told us to look in these places for other questions. The other questions were about this main idea that expansion is important. And what do you know? That's the answer here. Expansion is important. This isn't subtle. If you are using the no reading strategy, right, and you're just reading what the questions tell you to read, you are going to end up skipping lines. Don't let that scare you. The lines don't matter. If they mattered, they would have been asked in the other questions. And the things that do get asked about are the main ideas that matter. So when you come to the main idea questions, don't be surprised when it repeats the same stuff you've already read. That's the point. Main ideas are repeated ideas. Expansion was repeated a ton. Trust it. That's the answer.